Hi, welcome to Amish Country Gardener. I'm Jeremy. I've lived in Amish country my whole life. I've been growing backyard produce for 10 years and counting. I started out small with just your average backyard vegetable garden, but as my love for gardening grew, it progressed into what some might say is excessive, and sometimes I think I agree. At times there is so much produce I just don't know what to do with it. It's a good thing I added chickens, who always seem to have an insatiable appetite. Living near the Amish, the best in the business, I've developed my own gardening techniques. I've learned a lot over the years, both good and bad, both what to do and what not to do, and some things you definitely don't want to do. However, with all this success, a new chapter in my life has just started. I got married and moved to a new home. I had to leave all that I built behind and start from scratch on a new property with no gardening history. The task will be tough, but I know we can persevere. So join me as we take our new home and turn it into a produce paradise. I'll show you the tricks that I've learned and the traps to avoid so that no matter your garden size, you too can become a successful backyard gardener. So let's smash some old records, let's get our hands dirty, click subscribe to follow and grow your produce with me, the Amish Country Gardener.